Union Limited, used to be known as Union Group. Union has proved to be the strongest pillar that is holding up the textile and manufacturing sector of Bangladesh. With years of success and innovation, Union has become the highest yarn sellers in the business. Let's have a look at the export-oriented spinning factory, Dayu Bangladesh.
In this ever-growing competitive market, Union provides world-class textile and manufacturing facilities. With years of success and innovation, Union has become the highest yarn sellers in business. Dayu was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister, Sheikh Hasina. We source our raw materials primarily from Germany and Turkey. Spinning mills are significant for textile industries as they transform fiber into yarn. A few decades ago, people used to carry out spinning process by hand, which now has been replaced by advanced technology. We have 2 factory buildings accommodating workers in a 175,000 square feet space. The unit has a superb capacity of making tons of yarns per day. The spinning process starts by transforming fiber into yarn. From blowroom to the cone winding, various machineries are used in dynamic ways to achieve the perfect quality of yarn. Spinning process starts from blowroom and continues through carding, combining, drawing, roving, ring frame, and finally cone winding.
Besides spinning, we have a 100% export-oriented cone dyeing factory with an enormous production capacity. After receiving yarn from spinning, these are stored in the raw material warehouse in summary dyeing. Once our buyer confirms the order, the dyeing process starts at the lab. Let's see how the cone dyeing process works.
In this ever-growing competitive market, Union provides world-class textile and manufacturing facilities. With years of success and innovation, Union has become one of the highest yarn sellers in business. We have compliant storage capacity. Dyeing has a highly equipped laboratory where we manufacture micro unit of each product before advancing it towards mass production. We have digitally controlled color dispensers in order to achieve higher accuracy and lab-to-bulk reproducibility. Computer-aided color match prediction (CCMP) provides fast and accurate matches. The most common process for cone dyeing is high temperature, high pressure dyeing method. The first process of cone dyeing is soft winding. Yarns are transferred from paper cones to perforated plastic cones. After soft winding, cones are mounted on stainless steel carriers that are built according to the capacity of the machines. The dyeing cycle starts with gradual infusion of the dye. The machine capacity varies up to 1,000 kg or more. The density of the yarn and evenness of the shade is extremely important in yarn dyeing. There are optimum values and parameters that must be maintained to achieve the perfect shade. In hydro extractor, excess water of yarn is removed and sent to dryer. Dryer is used to remove remaining water of dyed yarn. During hard winding, dyed yarns are rewound back on paper cones. Quality controllers compare dyed yarn with sample or swatch card. Water and color fastness is checked. The yarns are loosely arranged in hands, hung over a bar and immersed in a dye bath. Once the desired color is achieved, the yarn is steamed to complete the dyeing process. Hang's dyeing process is a very unique dyeing process in which color penetration is maximized to give yarns a softer, loftier texture. Union has high-end ETP and WTP facilities where we ensure a safe disposal of the industrial waste, as well as a safe return of the purified water to the environment. Side by side, WTP is necessary for water softening and yarn dyeing process. This unit is REB approved with a substantial extent of solar capacity along with powerful generators. In order to maintain fire safety protocols, we have trained in-house fire team who frequently exercises fire drills.
The dyed yarn produced in our factory is also used to manufacture sweaters in Dayu, Bangladesh. Our sweater unit is a 100% export-oriented sweater factory with a wide product range fulfilling customer demands all over the world. Dayu is a company driven by innovation and technology. We currently have fully computerized top-of-the-line jacquard machine and a compliant manufacturing unit. Spinning, dyeing, and sweater, we also have hydrogen peroxide manufacturing unit HP Chemicals. HP Chemicals is the first manufacturer of hydrogen peroxide in Bangladesh. It is most widely used chemical for yarn dyeing. Let's see how we manufacture HP Chemicals.
HP Chemicals Limited is nation's first manufacturer of hydrogen peroxide. We are producing a remarkable amount of hydrogen peroxide with perfection. HP Chemicals is in the midst of greenery and entire atmosphere is highly eco-friendly. Hydrogen peroxide H2O2 is the most widely used bleaching agent for textile. It gives the fibers a high degree of brightness while at the same time preserving their mechanical properties. H2O2 reaction to products are non-toxic and non-dangerous. Besides, hydrogen peroxide is the most widely used chemical in textile, dyeing, pharmaceuticals, water treatment, and paper industry.
Of the prestigious brand Nokias Journey, Union has been the sole distributor of Nokia in Bangladesh. Recently, we have started our first mobile phone manufacturing plant for Nokia. Let's see the manufacturing process at Bangabandhu High-Tech Park.
Vibrant is a state-of-art mobile phone manufacturing factory for Nokia, situated at Bangabandhu High-Tech Park. We have a global standard testing lab and semi-automated production line. production lines are facilitated with high-tech machineries and testing equipments.
Besides Nokia, Union Limited is also the only distributor of the world-renowned brand iPhone of Apple in Bangladesh. You can easily find the latest iPhones with the best price, first delivery and premium customer service. We have BTRC approved genuine iPhones. Union Limited is the only authorized distributor of the world-renowned watch brand like Emporio Armani, Michael Kors, Fossil, Skagen, Diesel, Tommy Hilfiger, Anne Klein and Casio. In aviation sector, Union Limited is the general sales agent of Air Canada in Bangladesh. Also, Union Limited is the authorized visa provider of Singapore and Malaysia.
Union Limited is a union of modern technology, sustainability and highly skilled manpower, where we are determined to be the finest manufacturers in the minds of the stakeholders with our top-notch compliance facility, commitment and smooth production line.